I am currently involved in looking at a galaxy that's a few 100 million light years away, so relatively nearby, using NASA spacecraft. And I suddenly figured out what I think may be happening in the core of this galaxy, which has a large black hole, but one which is not particularly active at the moment, so it's not shooting out jets of material, and it doesn't have any of the spectacular kinds of properties that some of these black holes have. But it has some other curious properties. And I said, oh my gosh, look at that. I think it is producing dust. I think that it is manufacturing dust. And dust is very important because it is the laboratory workbench for atoms and molecules to interact with each other and do chemistry. So it's a tiny little example, and it's just a single paper. But it is like, wow, I know something that nobody else knows. That moment of insight, or that little click when I'm in another space, wow, right? It's not routine space. That is a spiritual moment. That is a spiritual opportunity. I am fond of quoting Solomon in the Song of Songs. He writes, I was asleep, but my heart was aroused. The voice of my beloved was knocking. Open up to me. That, of course, is the metaphor of God's love, and the Song of Songs is a metaphor of religious experience. And the knocking today is science knocking on the door. Open up to me, open up to the miraculous wonders of the world. These are amazing messages to deepen our appreciation of divine capability. And cosmology, that is something that you can understand, that you can go out at night and look up at the sky and be inspired to convert the mundane into the wonderful.